Hello, I am Jon Biscan. I am a glass blower here at Third Degree Glass Factory, where I have been working for the last 20 years. This current exhibition is a retrospective of my work. Some of the pieces are from the very first session that I blew glass, and some are just from last week. I tried to get a piece from every year that I have been blowing glass. So as you walk through the show and look at the pieces, you'll see a progression of my work through the years. My glass style has evolved out of a curiosity for all the possibilities and what glass can give as an artistic medium. It can quite literally be almost anything. Early on, I caught on to textures in the glass. I made a lot of paperweights, I made cups, and then I kind of fell into making trees and things with branches for a while. I just like challenging myself and seeing if I can pull off a certain technique. I started working on a figurative series about 8 years into glass blowing. The human forms take sometimes as many as 4 hours a piece, just in the hot shop to make. And it is a lot of attention to detail. Sometimes I will focus on a small 1-inch square section of the piece for 10 or 15 minutes at a time. And then once I am satisfied with that section of it, I move on to the next, all while maintaining heat and form throughout the rest of the piece. Also, the figures are made with only basic tools. There are no molds involved. Hand torches, sculpting knives, a simple butter knife that I got at the thrift store, one of my favorite tools, and traditional techniques that have been used for hundreds of years that have made their way into my toolbox of tricks are some of the things that I do to make these forms. I've been involved here at Third Degree for 20 years. I took my first class and learned how to blow glass here. If you're interested in learning how to blow glass, we offer classes for all skill levels. You will work with an experienced glass instructor and have a great time. This exhibition is a return of the monthly featured artist showcase that used to be a mainstay here at Third Degree Glass Factory. I am delighted to be the first solo exhibition in 2024. And you can see my work throughout the month of February. Every month following, there will be a new exhibit. So if you can't make it in February, we would be delighted to have you anytime throughout the year for the remaining exhibitions.